For nearly a decade, the Lamborghini Aventador has been the flagship model of the Lamborghini company, but it has now been succeeded by the new car Lamborghini Revuelto, a hybrid supercar boasting 1,000 horsepower and aerospace technologies in its construction. One key feature that sets the Lamborghini Revuelto apart from other cars in the brand's lineup is its engine. The new Lamborghini Hybrid employs a 6.5-liter V12 engine along with 3 electric motors. Thankfully for cars enthusiasts, Lamborghini has not abandoned its use of 12-cylinder engines, and this engine alone produces a formidable 813 horsepower without the need for a turbocharger. Together, the 4 engines in the Lamborghini Revuelto generate a whopping 1,000 horsepower, and power is transmitted via an 8-speed double-clutch gearbox. Fans of the Lamborghini brand are eagerly waiting to see the performance of this hybrid supercar, which Lamborghini claims can accelerate from 0 to 100 in just 2.5 seconds. In terms of design, the Lamborghini Revuelto bears a strong resemblance of the brand's previous models. Its overall appearance is reminiscent of the popular Aventador, while its rear fenders harken back to Lamborghini Diablo, and the slope of its front end is similar to Lamborghini Murcielago. However, its Y-shaped design pattern for the lights and other components are unique to this model. The Lamborghini Revuelto is set to hit the market with a starting price of $600K. We'll have to wait for exact details from this Italian automaker.